It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. Since most of my viewers are interested in DIYing their own home, I'm going to drop the 7 design principles that will help you DIY your home just like a pro. When designing your space, keep these 7 principles in mind. You want to have balance. Balance means that you create a visually pleasing space and the elements are evenly distributed around the room. Keep in mind scale. Scale means proportion. You want to have items in your space that are in harmony with the size of the room and in comparison to other elements in the room. Now, I'm saying elements, but you could swap that word out and say patterns or textures or furnishings or decor. So elements has a wide definition. Next, we have pattern. Pattern is when something is not one solid color. It is overlaid with some type of a design element. Then there's contrast, where you combine 2 or more different forms. And then there's movement and rhythm. We use contrast and pattern to create movement and rhythm. Repeating contrast and pattern strategically will give a room movement and rhythm and help the eye and the emotions play inside the room. Next up, emphasis. Emphasis is when you create a central element as a focal point. Now that could be in a room, it could be in a corner, it could be on a dining table where you put a nice vase with flowers. Anything that gives you a central focal point creates emphasis. Number 7, we have unity. Unity creates cohesion. It helps us make sense of a room. Now, our tag along for these 7 design principles is white space. That's when you have a place for the eye and the emotions to rest in a room. When you're mindful to practice all 7 of these design principles, you create harmony in a room. Harmony is when all of the pieces that we just talked about fit together and the space has a specific aesthetic mood or vibe. That's harmony, y'all. The question I often get is, do you need all 7? Absolutely. Until you get familiar, I want you to create a checklist and check those babies off as you design your room. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY Duo Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.